Yes guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you what liquidity sniper means. When they call me liquidity sniper, a lot of you will be like, what is the meaning of this liquidity? Look at this trade that is going on right now. In this trade, if you notice, on a normal terms, this trade was not to be entered by any, even your pro traders. But then I enter it because of what I've calculated what is going to happen in the market. Now wait for the next trade. You will see why I told you that I'm a liquidity sniper. After checking these things, this previous happening in the charts, candlestick regulation and other stuff, I found out that boom, guy, I know what to do, and just look at it straight. I went to the trade, I took a trade. Now after taking a trade, the trade start going reversal. You understand? After taking a trade, I found out that the trade start going reversal because I never knew that it's going to reverse against me. But then after taking a trade, it started reversing. After reversing, I calculated it. I found out that no, I'm not going to go out of this trade because this trade is going to be a successful trade. And what are you seeing on the screen? It start going up as predicted because half of trading is gambling and half is not gambling knowledge. So now the trade start going towards my predicted um direction, and I'm already in 19 seconds left. Okay, 60 seconds. And before you know, the trade will soon enter, meaning it will be a successful trade. After checking that, I said, let me also enter and snipe another liquidity. When I say let me snipe another liquidity, you guys will be thinking like, this guy, like, how are you getting all these things right now? On a normal terms, if you look at this trade now, this trade where it is now is at a resistance, and it's going to go down no matter what you're going to do. It's in a high resistance. If you check the resistance on this trade, it's going to go down. But then I came back and noticed that no, I'm not supposed to look at where the trade is going. So let me just exit. So now I enter Bitcoin. After entering Bitcoin, I see that Bitcoin is going down. After I found out that Bitcoin is going down, I went to check as usual, check my chart very well. I will teach you guys how to check this chart if you subscribe, like, and share my video, because I'm going to be uploading most of this video very, very soon. Now, after checking, and I found out that, okay, this is what the chart is saying. I check this, I check that. I say, okay, let me do what the chart is saying, and now enter. On the norms, if it's your pro trader, they'll tell you say, but no. As advanced trader, not just a pro trader, an advanced trader, I knew that this motherfucking chart is going to pull up. If you are a novice in forex trading, you'll be like, this thing is going down, no, this thing is going down. You start losing hope that no, this is already a loss, but no. Advanced boy, no. Liquidity sniper knows that this motherfucking chart is going up. And you see what happened? I know exactly what and who just bought, and I can predict and show you exactly who bought. And if after explaining it to you, you'll find out that that is the exactly person who bought. But then let's wait and see how this trade goes. You can see the trade is going down. Yeah, it's going down. Okay, it starts going up now. And if you check, I'm in few seconds to be taken out, but boom, it ends in profit. And I say, okay, let me look at the chart again. Let me look at the chart again and see what I will do next. Maybe I will enter a trade or probably leave it. So let's go, guys. And I say, okay, are you sure that I should enter a sell? And I went to check again. I'm still checking, oh guys, I'm still checking. After I checked, I will know exactly what to do, and boom. After I check, you don't need to tell me what to do. I already know what I'll do, because man is a motherfucking advanced trader, not just a pro. I look at Bitcoin as a liquidity sniper. I said, okay, let me give you small explanation of what is going on here. I went to my rectangular tools. I draw it. I draw it in one of the explanation where I will take the trade I want to take, after seeing several others. Because if you use only one, bro, forget it, you're going to be taken out. But then after using like 5 others, and I say, okay, this is what I'll take, I took up. And most of you be like, it's on a resistance already. yes, I know it's on a resistance and it's going to go down, but it's going to retest according to a support I've already founded. Now, after finding that, I knew that the support and that support is strong, and that support is going to push it up. I just enter sell where I entered by where it is. But then it reached that support, and do you see what price is doing? Price start bouncing up from that support. And look at it, I'm already in 24 seconds to be taken out. So, but then no panic now. This is liquidity sniper. So we keep going and the trade start going up. As it reaches that previous resistance, I knew that that resistance, after being retested, will be broken. And look at what is going to happen. I mean, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, and what? That resistance was broken. And you see what? The trade went successful. If you calculate, watch this video again and calculate how many trades I took, just in how many seconds, and all of them were successful, you will know, bro. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.